From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a big day here on crypto with LALATE. And what do I have to report about the top cryptocurrency picks of 2021? That there's a slow and progressive market crash underway. If you don't blink, you may miss it. The market crash has been started in the last few days, and after a series of days that usually have big upswings, they did not deliver. And today, on a Monday, again, the same thing's happening, and guess what? This is indication of a pervasive market crash. Market crashes often aren't just in one day, they sometimes span over several days. And as coins are breaking through resistance levels brought down by Bitcoin and Ethereum, they too are seeing their lowest lows of several weeks and are heading into the bears of bear territory that we've seen in several months. In this recording, we'll go over very exceptionally detailed analysis for both beginners and advanced to understand why this market crash may miss some eyes. Let's look at Bitcoin, which is now crashing under that market level, resistance level 44,000, which I told you to watch. Ethereum going under a second market resistance level at $3,200. Then we have Solana pulling back as well. Phantom, which was one of the big bull coins the last few days, having another down day. Aave going into 200 range. I told you it was going to happen. Polygon going into the 120s. Next stop is $1. Decentraland back to the May levels. What's going on? I told you it's bad. Compound crashing. Sushi Swap, a $13 coin last week, now heading to $9. That's 30% of its return gone. Boy, you are going to see things that you're not going to see anywhere else. It starts right today on crypto. So with that, subscribe. A 400,000 subscribers a YouTube record. I want your father's family. Hit that subscribe button right now. Like the video, 2,000-3,000 likes, and consider becoming a member. This is the fastest growing cryptocurrency channel for a reason. You get all the analysis across the board, nowhere else except here, and this is LALATE. First, my apologies. Yesterday's overnight's crypto show did not air because of a technical issue, but let's go over all the details starting right now. This is what's going on. There is a slow-moving market crash underway right now. And if no one else tells you, I don't care, because I'm telling it to you right now. A market crash sometimes does not happen abruptly in just a 24-hour period. Sometimes it just compounds day after day. And if you've been with this channel over the last few months, have been part of this incredible subscriber growth for crypto, you saw this for the fourth market crash. Remember the fourth market crash? It started on a Sunday, continued on a Monday, continued to a Tuesday, continued to a Wednesday. It was over a 3-day market crash. This one is more pronounced and elongated because it's become very pervasive. Where is the crash happening? Everywhere. But I'm going to separate from bulls to bears first. Bull market means you're going up, means you're continually appreciating value week after week, month after month, quarter after quarter. Bear market means you're not appreciating. You're either flat or you're devaluing if you look over the month period or the 2-month or the quarter or similar. In the last 4 months, I had told you that every coin was in a bear market, with the exception of Ethereum, Bitcoin, which came out of that bear market about 3 weeks ago, and Phantom, Cardano, and Solana, which came out of it and did a very nice bull run over the last 2 weeks. They are called the bull coins: Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Cardano, and also Phantom. Everything else I call bear. Why do I separate it, and why is it so important for you? Bear means you do not, absolutely do not buy it as an investment position. Investment position means you buy it, you put it away, and you come back to look at how it's appreciated. It won't appreciate. It won't. That's what a bear market is. It's like buying a piece of real estate in an area that's going down in value. You don't do that. So I had told viewers, I think it was almost 3 months ago, bear market for all these coins. Don't buy them to hold, because you come back in 3 months, they'll be down. They are down. I said you could trade. We'll cover that later in this video. But as the bulls ran up, and bulls were doing beautiful. Phantom and Solana and Cardano and Ethereum and Bitcoin. As those bulls ran up, I saw a continuing event. And what was that continuing event that I warned viewers about? It's something I've never seen before, but it was so obvious. that as they went up, the bulls, they were not bringing the bear coins up. Why? Doesn't make any sense. Ethereum and Bitcoin reaching their highest price levels since May. Bitcoin trying to get to 60,000, at over 50,000. Great news, you would think. It would bring up the altcoins. It did not. They didn't do anything. It helped them not whatsoever. But on a few days here and there, I saw that as Ethereum and Bitcoin went down, they pulled down the altcoins. So they don't bring them up, but they certainly bring them down. That's not good news. It happened once, it happened twice. I said, be prepared. If Ethereum and Bitcoin go down, they're going to bring your altcoins down, and their altcoins are already down. So they're going to go from down to even more down. Very troubling when you don't have a lot of things that bring you up as an altcoin. So with that, I said the best thing we can have ever in crypto is resistance levels. I teach resistance levels a lot on this channel because it's so important. You know, when we do stocks, we have a lot of things that can tell us about stocks. We can talk about how many units of a good were sold, or how many what the false sales or projections. Crypto, we have very little economic data, very little financial data from inside the company. But we do have the chart, and the chart shows us resistance levels. What are resistance levels? Does the coin stop going higher at a certain point? Let's say the resistance level is $2. Stops. Won't go above $2. Or it won't go below a level. Won't go below a dollar. Stops. It's like a plank of wood. It's great because we look at these resistance levels and we learn what it is. And then if it breaks through it, then we realize, oh, we're heading to the next resistance level, which is lower or higher. I had told viewers this channel that Bitcoin was at 50,000, and I said, well, the resistance level on the low end, 47,000. Just know it, because you never know. You wake up one morning and suddenly we're heading towards that resistance level. Well, Bitcoin started to devalue, went from 50 to 49. I said, you're getting close to that resistance level, 47. Let's look and see what the next resistance level is, just by chance, just so you know it. I didn't say we're going to go to it at that point. I said, just so you know it. And I said, it's 44,000. So Bitcoin 47 is the first resistance level. The next one 44. We went over to Ethereum. That's an easy one to do. It's just increments of $100. Ethereum's resistance levels are 3,400, 3,300, 3,200, 3,100, because it just clearly has these sort of flat areas. And guess what happened? Bitcoin broke under that 47,000. Warning signal. All coins are going to go down. They did. I then said, if Bitcoin goes under 44,000, you've reached another lower resistance level. Warning signal, it did. Then on Ethereum's level, 34 broke, 32 broke, 34 broke, 3,300 broke, 3,200. Oh, this is becoming problematic. And as that happens, it brings everything down. Let's first look at this equation, part of the equation, because this is very important before we go over what's happening with the other altcoins and the other external influences. There's a big broadcast. There's a lot happening in this video, so stay to the very end because, boy, you have never seen a video like this. Here is Bitcoin. Let's jump in the chart. You're looking at Gemini. One-day chart. It's Monday. Yeah, I'm going to go over this whole Monday issue in a second. But here we start the day at 45,000. So we're clearly above the 44,000 threshold, but under the 47. We've broken through the 47. We drop down to 45 low. Then we pull up a little bit. Then we drop lower, 44,400. Then we have a little spike there when we have a big programmatic sell. And we have that programmatic sell, and bam, we go to 43,700. Then we're 4,400, 4,402. So have we broke through the resistance level for a second? But that's not enough for me to say it's broken through the resistance level. I mean, it stays under there for about a day. Let's look at the 7-day chart. Yeah, really bad. Now, it looks relatively flat, but it's not, because it broke through that resistance level here, 47, and it just sunk. It just sunk like a dying ship. It saw 47, and bam, that was it. I mean, this is critical, because that 47 was just a blink of an eye, and it went zooming right through it and went right to 44. Let's look out a little bit further so you see how severe this is. Yeah, now we're out further. We're still down. We're down. I think it's almost three. I think we're down almost 3 months here on this chart. Let's see how far we're out. We're out 1 month. We're out 1 month on the chart, and we're down now on Bitcoin. Let's look at those resistance levels there. There they are, 47. You need to look at the 1 month chart on like a Gemini to see the resistance level. There's the 47. There's the 47. We broke through it. This was the next resistance level, 44, right here. And guess what the next resistance level would be? We have to go out past the 1 month chart to look at the Gemini 3 month chart. And the Gemini 3 month chart reveals to us that the next resistance level is this one, 41,900. So 42,000. So there you go. 44,000 is our resistance level right now. We're trying to stay above it. We're so far doing it. But the next one is 42,000. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum was the coin that actually had a bigger run up than Bitcoin when you look at percentage rise. Here's one day. 3,400 broke the first resistance level. 33 broke the resistance level of 3,400. Then it broke the resistance level of 3,300. Went into the 3,200 range. Then it broke the $3,200 range. Went into 3,100. Do you see that? This is just Monday. This is just Monday morning. It broke the resistance level 3,400, broke the resistance level 3,300, broke the resistance level 3,200, and now it's trying to break the resistance level 3,100. This is very severe, folks. You broke through 3 resistance levels in just a few hours. Let's look out further. The 7-day, we're at 3,900. So look how bad this is. Let's look at the 1 month chart. So you see those resistance levels. Now we're down for the month, but let's look at the resistance levels over here. Hard to grab them with the mouse. I'm in the chart, obviously. But you see the next resistance level would be 3,000. Then after that, it's 2,900. They're generally about $100 resistance levels. Let's look out now at, we're beyond the 3 month chart. Now we are at, no, now we're at the 3 month chart. We're at the 1 month chart. Now we're at the 3 month chart. So here you go. In just a second, we could be at a 3 month low. And that would be a very fast fall. Let's look at the smaller players, but also bull coins. Phantom. Phantom was just doing a great job, and today it went from 149 to 129. That's a 20% loss of its value in just a few hours. Excuse me? Yeah. Here's a 7-day chart. When as high as $1, when as high as $2, now is nearly at $1. It's wiped out 50% of its value in less than a few days. Yep, very severe. Now, it still is up a lot when you look out of the 3 month chart. So where could be next on Phantom? It could be $1. It could be $1, and after that, it goes into the sub range. Okay, that may be a lot to digest there because it feels like a lot to me. Boy. The coins run up fast and they run down even faster. But in the case of what's happened the last few days, coins are going down faster than they went up. They took a long time to go up and they're coming down really fast. So what is the takeaway so far in this video? When you look at the bull coins, which are the coins that are supposed to have the best run of all of them, they are breaking through their low-end resistance levels repeatedly in just a few hours. Ethereum breaking through multiple resistance levels, Bitcoin breaking through at least 2 resistance levels in just a few hours. How bad news is this? It's very severe. It's very severe because it says there's something wrong and that the best performing, these are the bull coins, these are the best performing coins, are acting very poorly at the moment. Now, here's the next equation, and you know what I'm about to say. It's Monday. It's Monday. It's the second highest day of the week. This is supposed to be the big day of the week. We have 2 big days of the week. The highest day of the week is, of course, Saturday morning from 9 a.m., from sunrise all the way to 12 noon Pacific Standard Time. And then Monday, which is about 80% as high as Monday. Guess what happened? Saturday didn't deliver. Saturday coins were not up. Now we're on Monday. Monday's not delivering. Wednesday, the variable day, was down. Thursday was down. Friday was down. Saturday was flat. Sunday was down. Monday's now down. You see this? See? Yeah, I just keep on saying the word down. What does that mean? We're losing money. We're going down a lot. The days that the coins are supposed to be up and the best performing coins, the bull coins, they're down. Crash? Absolutely. It's a very pervasive not so clear, not waving a flag or of a trumpet playing, crash. There's a crash underway. And it's taking a slow erosion out of everything. It's eating things up. So, do I still call Phantom bull? I do. But Phantom, if you get under $1, you're bear. You're going right back to where you are. Do I call Solana bull? I still call Solana bull. What about Ethereum and Bitcoin? Well, tomorrow's Tuesday. Tuesday is one of the worst days of the week for down. What are they supposed to do? Is if Bitcoin breaks under 42,000, if Bitcoin breaks under 42,000, and if Ethereum breaks under 3,000, I'll even say 3,100, but I'll say 3,000. I may shout bear on them. I may say, hey, you're back into bear territory. You had a nice little run for the month of middle June to early August, and that is now wiped out. If Ethereum goes under 3,000 and Bitcoin goes under 42,000, that's not bull. That's not bull. That is back to the levels that you delivered us in June. I mean, that's not a good situation. All right, let's look at the worst performing coins, which are the bear coins. The bear means down. Bear does not mean you're down every day. It just means you're not appreciating. But guess what? These coins were down all those days I just told you, and they're really down today. And how badly are they down? What you're going to have to watch with me is I go through the 1-day chart, the 7-day chart, the 1-month chart, and the 3-month chart, and you're going to see that there's a lot of red. Let's look at the bear coins starting right now. And here we go. Get ready to wipe your eyes. There is Aave. Wow. Now, Aave is one of the best performing coins out there. One of the best of the bears, I guess you would say. And it's heading to 200. I mean, it's just insane. Did it break under 200? Let's see. 309. 200 was just, it seems like it was ages ago, but look how quickly it has evaporated money. It was a $400 coin 7 days ago. It's now about to become a $200 coin. That's 50% of its value gone. Let's look out to the 1-month chart. 1-month chart, it went as high as almost 430. Let's look out at the 3-month chart. Still up for the 3-month chart. But if you've been with me since day one, you remember we bought at 180, we sold at 300, then we bought again at 200, we sold at 300. Guess what? It's right at this resistance level of 300. What's the next resistance level? You can see it. You see what the next resistance level 300 is. It's this. It's 250. It's 200. Aave could literally wipe out $50 of its value in the next 24 hours if it doesn't watch it. It's just very serious. And then it's Polygon. Polygon, I've detailed 1,000 videos, and Polygon has gone from 80 cents, and it is a sad situation. Polygon, let's look out and understand where Polygon was. Polygon was about a $130, $140, $150 coin before the last market crash about 8 weeks ago. It fell all the way down into the 63 cent. Then it slowly came back and up and became a $1 coin for a very long flat period of time, which is a horrible price point. I mean, this once was a $2 coin. So what has it done in the last few hours? It's fallen from 130 to 120. I mean, that's 10% in just a few hours. What has it done the 7-day? Well, it was a $1.63 coin the start of this week, and now it has wiped away 60% of its value practically. Excuse me? Yes. Let's look out further. It's now down for the 1-month chart, where it went as high as $1.73. That's why I told viewers, do not buy it there. I said, do not buy it there. Imagine if you bought $1.73, how much money you've lost at this point. This is why you watch this channel, because I really protect people, make sure you do not buy at the high end. And look how bad 50 cents gone on a dollar coin. Yeah. And here you go. Wow. On the 3-month chart, it is now down. Incredible. Let's look at our next player. There is Decentraland. Not as severe, because Decentraland goes slow up and slow down. But boy, this was a $1 coin just a week ago, and now it's an 80-cent coin. So 20% of its value is gone. And look how quickly it could become a 70-cent coin. You could have 30% of your value gone. Now understand, Decentraland came back from being a 50-cent coin, so it's still nicely up. People who bought at 50 cents was a great price point, but this could easily, look at its resistance levels here. Next resistance level on Decentraland is probably in about the 70s, in the 70-cent range. And there we go. Houston, we have a problem. I don't have a problem. You have a problem. Let's jump in. Let's jump in and see. Okay. Let's see if we can grab some Doge, because I want to show you some Doge in here as well. There's Doge. Okay. Yeah, that's 1 day. That is not 7 days or a month. That is 1 day. Started the day at 24. Try to get up to 25. Went as low as 20. Where'd it go? 23. Every chart is going to be a red. It's down for the 7 day. It was a 31-cent coin. It's now about to be a 20-cent coin. That is an astronomical loss of value. That's 30% loss of its value. There you go. 1 month, 3 month, and oh boy, the chart is incorrect. Actually, this is an incorrect chart on Gemini because it shows it's down for the 3 month. No, because well, I see what it's saying. It's down from where it started the 3 month. It started the 3 month at 32 cents, but it came back from a 16-cent coin. Next off for Doge is 20. Yeah, so there you go. What am I going to say then? Crash. There's a crash underway, and it's very slow moving, so you need to be very attentive to the crash. The crash is pervasive, and it's most indicated, as what I said on Sunday, by Bitcoin and Ethereum getting under resistance levels. As Bitcoin and Ethereum fall under resistance levels, they're going to crash the other coins. Next stop for Bitcoin potentially is 42,000. If it falls under there, that's where we're going. Ethereum, every $100 is a resistance level. A 3,000 on Ethereum is going to be a big whammo. Big whammo. I even think 45, even breaking under the 44,000 is a big media event. So be very, very attentive across the board. I'll be joining you 2 times per day, always on this channel. In the mornings at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then starting at 3:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for overnight crypto. So much across the board. So I want you part of this family. So hit that subscribe button. I want you part of, oops, I hit the wrong button. I want you part of this family. Hit that subscribe button. It's 400,000 subscribers in 1 year. Next stop, 1 million. Subscribe. Also like this video and become a member. Purple Hawk, Purple Power, Calcino VIP. Have a beautiful day. Stay informed, stay focused, and stay here.